Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Lemery College's restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
No.
May I know your name and how many persons, please?
A table for one.
Would you like to prepare smoking area or non-smoking area?
A non-smoking area.
Okay, sir. This way, please. This table is okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, have a seat. Excuse me, sir. May I unfold your table napkin?
Yes.
By the way, I'm third, your dining attendant for today. Is there anything else that I can help for you?
None.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like iced tea or pineapple juice?
An iced tea, please.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your iced tea.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Please have some water.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Please have some freshly baked bread.
Thank you.
Cut. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu for your food selection? I will take your order whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I take your order now?
Yes. I want some curry fried siomai for my appetizer, cream of mushroom soup, and beef steak for my main course.
Okay, sir. May I suggest to you our Caesar salad?
No thanks.
How about chocolate lava cake for your dessert?
No thanks.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? Your order, fried siomai for your appetizer, cream mushroom for your soup, and beef steak for your main course. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I suggest to you our premium red wine, Carol?
No thanks.